If the withdrawal of security is on the basis of a proper analysis, a proper security assessment, then that's fine.
Sir, 2 minutes, sir.
Sir, 1 second.
Jaldi. So there have been a series of attacks in the past 1 month, and yesterday also we lost 5 army jawans. So how do you react to that?
No, it's very unfortunate. I think no criticism of this attack is strong enough. To lose 5 brave army soldiers in the line of duty in one attack, I think is something that we should all be alarmed by. We have been saying time and again that militancy is a problem in Jammu and Kashmir, and you can't wish it away. This government had convinced itself that somehow 5th August 2019 is the solution to all problems, including violence and terror. But clearly that's not the case. I think the administration in Jammu and Kashmir needs to be more vigilant. I think they're showing a rather lax tendency with regard to the security situation. And hopefully attacks like this will not happen again.
So recently admin ordered that the security would be withdrawn, security of politicians would be withdrawn. So how do you see that?
Look, if the withdrawal of security is on the basis of a proper analysis, a proper security assessment, then that's fine. But we've seen that both providing security and withdrawing security in J&K is largely a political thing. It's done on political considerations. So that I think needs to be avoided. More than that, I think we'll just wait and see what happens.
Do you think that these attacks are going to, affect the assembly elections, as Centre has already announced that assembly elections will?
Look, assembly elections are a matter of the Supreme Court order, and I do not believe the security situation is so bad that elections cannot take place. We've had elections in 96. We've had elections to Parliament in 98, 99, when I believe the situation was much worse. So unless the government is ready to accept that the situation in J&K today is worse than it was in 96, I think elections must go ahead.
Thank you so much, sir.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।